In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause your Google Business Profile. This process is quite straightforward, but it's crucial for those moments when you need to temporarily close your business and want to make sure your customers are up to date with your status. First off, let's dive right into the heart of this tutorial by heading over to your Google Business Profile. To do this, you'll need to sign in using your Google account. This step is key because it ensures you have full access to your business listing and can make the necessary changes. Now, once you're logged in and at the dashboard of your Google Business Profile, the next step involves your business listing directly. This will require you to be on the page where you can view all the details of your business as listed on Google. Here, you'll work with a checkbox that relates to the business profile you intend to pause. This action is preparatory for the next steps, ensuring that you are making changes to the correct listing. Moving on, you'll want to look for the Actions button. This is where Google aggregates all the possible actions you can take for your business profile. Finding and clicking this button will lead you to a list of options that Google permits business owners to take regarding their listings. After clicking on Actions, your next move is to select Temporarily Closed. This option is pretty self-explanatory. By choosing this, you are indicating to Google and hence to your customers that your business will not be operational for a period. This status update can influence how your customers interact with your business online, so it's an important step for keeping your audience informed. Finally, to confirm your decision and complete this process, you will see an option to temporarily close business. This final action solidifies your choice and updates your business status on Google to temporarily closed. It's crucial to click this to ensure that the change takes effect immediately across Google's platforms, including search and maps. Just a couple more things before we wrap up this tutorial. It's essential to keep in mind that changing your business status to temporarily closed does not negatively impact your search ranking or visibility. Google has confirmed this, so you can take this action without worrying about how it might affect your business online. Once you are ready to reopen, you will follow a similar process to revert the status of your business back to open. Always ensure to keep your business information, including operational hours and services offered, up to date on your Google Business Profile. This practice helps maintain trust with your customers and ensures they are always correctly informed. That's pretty much everything you need to know about pausing your Google Business Profile. This action can be particularly useful during renovations, seasonal closures, or other temporary circumstances that affect your business operations. By following these step-by-step instructions, you can easily communicate with your customers through Google about the temporary status of your business, ensuring a smooth transition both for closing and eventually reopening your business. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to keep your business information on Google as accurate as possible for your customers.